What's going on, everybody? Today's trading recap for June 14th, 2021. Starting off on a good Monday so far, up $462, taking about 8 trades today. I noticed after moving to interactive brokers, I've been taking a lot more trades than usual, I guess. I'm still trying to get used to the whole user interface and order entries and exiting strategies and all that stuff. But I really love the feels that IB gives, but I'm not a fan of the user interface still. But still haven't opened the AMC. I'm joining in on the AMC army here. Only about 20 shares. I bought in. My average is $57. So $57.13 is my average. So hopefully it climbs up. I do see a lot of potential squeeze with AMC, so I'm hoping that comes shortly here. I do hear that there might be a squeeze this coming week or shortly. So first trade was on AMC. I lost $160 on this one to the put side. It didn't really go my way. It kind of went against one of my strategies. It was trading above a moving average, and typically if I were to buy puts or short a stock, it needs to trade below moving average. That signals a bearish sign, and it's just a stronger signal that the stock might head lower. But in this case, AMC kept moving up, and I cut out for a loss. Took another trade on the call side, and AMC shot up on a squeeze. Took about $630 in that one. All the other trades, I really just kind of just really scalped it with small size, because after taking a big red day last week, I really just wanted to play it safe, and I'm hoping this week puts me back in the green and start getting back into the rhythm of what I was doing in May, which was just primarily focusing on my A plus setup, which is the trendline breakdowns, meaning I only buy puts. But lately I have been buying calls. Like I said, I've been trying to switch things up, trying to get used to just expanding my strategy, or just trying to refine it a little bit more, and maybe apply it to the long side rather than the short side. So I do have some live videos. I'll probably only record the AMC ones, just because these other ones are really just small profits, and they're all just breakdown trends. I believe the Tesla was a call. Oh, sorry, it was a put, and then I lost on a call right on I believe it was on AMC here, because it failed to move higher, and then right when it got out, of course, it starts climbing up maybe 5 minutes after. But yeah, took quick profits on Tesla, AMC, and Baba. These were all quick scalps where I held for less than maybe about 3 minutes or so, and AMC was my best play of the day so far. So I just decided to close the day with $462 before I started going in the red, because I was actually up about $700 before I started taking started over trading a little bit. And as previously mentioned from my other videos, once I start taking over 5 trades and I'm already in the green, and I take, like, say, my 6th trade, then that's when I know that, or notice that, my profit starts going down. So I just decided to stop trading after seeing my profits went from $700 to now $462. So let's move on to the live trades. Okay, so I thought I had AMC trading, but I guess I don't. So here's where I started recording on my Tesla puts. Here's where I'm about to enter in with just 2 sides, because I'm already up on AMC. These are my orders that I've already entered in, and I didn't start recording till after 30 minutes, or after maybe 40 minutes after market open. So I'm already into the trade. You can see my position here. This is the first live trade that I'm doing for June, and the first live trade that I'm doing with interactive brokers. So if you guys don't know, this side right here on the right side, or sorry, the left side is Thinkorswim, and then the right side, where it looks a little outdated, is interactive brokers. So I'm in position right here, 2 contracts. To the put side, I'm down $23. My average price is $11.65 per contract. So I'm still trying to get used to the layout here. I'm not sure if this is the easiest way of doing options with interactive brokers, because every time I hit the buy, if I enter in a quantity, like say 5 quantity, and then hit buy, it goes back to quantity of 1 rather than showing just my normal position. which is really weird because I keep having to change out the quantity to my position size. So right now I'm down about $77 on Tesla puts, but just give me some time because it looks like the 20 moving average is about to cross over below the 50 moving average, signaling a bearish crossover. And I'm liking how it's just hovering above the 100 moving average, which is this yellow line here. Once we see a break below the 100 moving average, I could see it drop a little bit further down because you can see there's this massive run up, and while the market's moving a bit higher, Tesla is just kind of consolidating lower and lower. So I'm expecting another drop here below the 100 moving average, and there's that drop up about $60. Wish I would have taken a little bit more size, but I'm still trying to play it safe after losing a lot of money last week on my first week back trading. So I'm trying to give this some time, but I'm just gonna take a quick profit when I can. Maybe I'll look to scale out at 12.15 or 12.10. And I do have options chart for interactive brokers up. So I do have this exact contract and expiration chart on my other monitor, which unfortunately I don't have room on my main screen to show for the live trades. So right on the bottom here, it's probably cut off, but I watch the cues when I trade Tesla, and sometimes I'll also watch the SPY, which is this chart here. So I really think it's important that you guys watch the overall market whenever trading a stock, because that really determines where a stock might go. So now cues are moving lower, so Tesla should follow, so I'll be a little bit patient where my exit is. So seeing a lot of reds on the time and sales. Waiting this one out. Still feel like it's gonna have a push lower. Oh, and I got fill. Okay, so I got a fill at 12.10, so that was a quick profit of $90. So my average here, this is a summary. My average when I bought is 11.64, and I got out at 12.10. All right, I'm gonna enter in with two contract calls on AMC, up about $26, two contracts, average price 783 is my entry. I'm liking the push up, waiting to see high of day. So it's not really following the market right now. Market's heading a little bit lower. AMC's going the opposite direction, so I'm really liking the volatility that AMC is giving out. And I'm not liking the fail candle breakout here. I was expecting a move higher, but seeing that there's two big green candles here, I want this to flag down and then have another strong push up, and then that's when I'll take my exit for a quick profit. Wish I got in with a little bit more size. I did get out of one contract, so this is going to be a really quick profit taking here. Just trying to let the last contract run. So once it speeds up to the new high, I'll take my profit and make a quick $60. Alright, looks like it's trying to head on higher slowly here. And I'm expecting a flag, maybe a little drop before a flag, but here we go, 55.70's breaking. And I'm out. Quick $60 on AMC with just two contracts. Took the first one off just to be safe and then let the last one run. I mean, $60 is still green, so I'll take it. Okay guys, that sums up my trading recap for Monday. Sorry it's not much, and I'm still trying to get into the habit of hitting that record button because I keep forgetting to hit that record button for the live trades, and it's just because I haven't done it for like 2 weeks, so I'm still gonna get in the habit of that one. Not as many live trades as I had thought. because I had hit the stop button, but I'm also in this trade right now on AMC, but I am going to take a loser on it, even though it shows that I'm up $23. I do hold it for just a little bit longer here, and eventually I'll just get out for a quick loss. So I probably won't show that one. It was just more of a lotto play, but all in all, pretty good trading day. Hopefully tomorrow is another good day, and I remember to hit the record button. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.